and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Do you know, creating ebook, reports, info products, and flipbook is not easy as we thought. It takes enough time to designing, writing, editing, and formatting, but it's a necessity for an online business to generate traffic, leads, and sales. Whether you are an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena. Of course, you can outsource and pay several $100s to expensive freelancer for an average ebook or flipbook creation, but not to mention the time and hassle of dealing with a bunch of expensive freelancers. So if you are in same boat, I have great news for you today. Imagine a minute from now you can create stunning ebooks, reports, info products, and flipbooks in just 60 seconds from now. All without writing a single content or word yourself, without slaving over design, layout, and formatting, without paying hundreds of dollars to expensive freelancers, without wasting weeks trying to create a single little ebook or flipbook. Yes, you heard that right. Introducing AI EbookPal. First to market, AI app instantly creates stunning ebooks, reports, info products, and flipbooks in any niche in just 60 seconds. It comes with done-for-you ebook templates. Even you can turn any URL, blog, website or keyword, or Word doc and Google Doc into fully functional ebooks and flipbooks without writing a single word in just 60 seconds. Once you have AI EbookPal, forget writing a single content or word yourself. Forget slaving over design, layout, and formatting. Forget paying hundreds of dollars to expensive freelancers. Forget wasting weeks trying to create a single ebook or flipbook. You are just 3 easy steps away to creating stunning ebooks and flipbooks. Number 1, log into AI EbookPal. Number 2, create stunning ebooks or flipbooks from DFY template or URL, blog, website or keyword, or Word doc or Google Doc. Number 3, publish and profit. Here are some of its amazing features. Create stunning ebooks without writing a single word. Create stunning flipbook without writing a single word. Tap into the huge untapped $28 billion ebook industry. Create fully functional ebook, flipbooks, etc. for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Sell stunning, beautiful ebooks and flipbooks for top dollar. DFY pre-built ebook templates included. Turn any PDF, text, image into stunning ebooks like a pro. Create attention-grabbing info products in major languages. Create eye-catchy e-covers for your ebooks and get limitless audience attention. Get 10 times more eyeballs to your ebooks creating stunning e-covers from right inside the dashboard. Customize your ebooks, add name, description, images, etc. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party ebook creation platforms forever. Stop paying huge monthly commissions to third-party marketplace today. Choose smartly from a built-in library of attention-grabbing images, videos, etc. to attract maximum audience. Share your ebooks, flipbooks globally and drive hordes of red-hot buyer traffic. Instantly create and sell attention-grabbing ebooks that grab 10 times more eyeballs in just 3 quick clicks. Save thousands of dollars on expensive monthly subscriptions. No writing a single word or designing anything yourself. Nothing to download, install or customize, limited time. Easy-to-use software with step-by-step video training. Stop wasting valuable traffic, leads, and profits to expensive third-party platforms. Create multiple passive income streams for a one-time fee. Limited time commercial license included to provide high-in-demand services to hungry clients. No domain and hosting required. No technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. And I haven't mentioned the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering limited time commercial licenses to provide top-notch ebook, reports, and flipbook creation services to tons of hungry customers and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting time and money in tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period's over, AI EbookPal will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab AI EbookPal today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.